Everyone, so in this video we'll see what are impediments in mobile computing. Okay, so the first thing, when this impediments question comes in your question paper, all you have to remember is obstacles or challenges that you're facing in your phone, or that you're facing in your phone. If you're getting these obstacles and challenges, what happens? Your performance and usability decreases, right? Your phone gets to hang and all, right? So impediments word వచ్చిన వెంటనే all you have to remember is obstacles and challenges, clear, that affect the performance and usability of mobile devices. Now there are few subtopics that we are going to see. What happens if your phone gets obstacles or challenges? What happens? What usually affects, or from where do these come? Okay, so the first one is limited battery life. What happens? What is the issue now? Mobile devices have finite battery capacity. Like they have some you've seen, right? Whenever you buy some phone, there is some battery capacity. So you see that battery capacity and you buy. So there is a limited battery life. What is the solution to have a good battery life? You have to optimize apps, which means you have to keep less apps, and you have to use the phone always in the power saving modes, right? That is the limited battery life. Next one is what? Network issues. What happens in network issues? Usually our phone runs in slow network connections, or sometimes it's not even stable when you're doing some payments or something, right? So what is the solution to this? We can design apps where we can handle the intermittent connectivity using caching, which means you should if there are some apps that are designed in such a way where even if the connectivity is not there, we will be able to use even if the connection is slow. Next one is small screen size. What happens in this? There is limited screen real estate for displaying the information. So usually you see these Oppo, these phones, right? They are in a screen size of almost all the phones have the same screen size, right? So what is the solution to this? They design some responsive interfaces and prioritize essential information. They make sure that the essential information and the interfaces come in they design in such a way that they come in that screen size. Okay, that is nothing but the small screen size. Next one is security concerns. In the security concerns, it's nothing but there is increased risk of data breaches and unauthorized access, which means you need to have strong encryption. Our WhatsApps are encrypted, right? So you need to have strong encryption for any app you use, or you can use secure authentication methods. In Instagram we use these authentication methods, right? Two-factor authentication and all. So in this there is increased risk of data breaches, which means your phone can get hacked anytime. Security concern. Next is limited storage. What happens? Now we have limited storage capacity on our mobile devices. What can you do? We can optimize data storage, encourage and cloud storage uses. Cloud storage is nothing but, in the previous video we have discussed, right? The online storage application where you can store all your pictures and your storage part you can store in that. So you can use those apps, right? You can use that. Next one is interference and signal loss. Now what happens in this? There is signal disruptions due to interfaces, right? What is the solution to this? You can optimize some antenna placement or use some error connection techniques. Interference and signal loss. This is nothing but signal disruptions. There are signal disruptions due to interference. What happens? You can you can optimize some antenna placement and use some error connection techniques. This is nothing but impediments in mobile computing. It is nothing but obstacles or challenges that affect the performance and usability of mobile devices. Okay, these are the topics. Thank you so much.